Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo on Meta Quest 3. First, it's important to know that Halo is not a native game on the Quest platform. To enjoy this iconic series, you'll need a powerful, VR-ready personal computer. Make sure your computer's specifications meet or exceed the recommended requirements for both Halo, the Master Chief Collection, and any PC VR streaming software you plan to use. This setup is the only way to experience Halo on your Quest 3. Next, you'll need to prepare your personal computer with the right software. Begin by installing Steam VR, which is crucial for running virtual reality games from Steam. Then, select a streaming application to bridge your computer and Quest 3. Options include Meta Quest Link, which uses a cable or AirLink wirelessly, or the popular virtual desktop, known for its enhanced performance and additional features for a superior streaming experience. Now, let's connect your Meta Quest 3 to your personal computer. For a wireless setup, ensure you have a robust Wi-Fi 6 network for optimal performance and low latency. Alternatively, you can use a high-quality USB 3 cable for a stable wired connection, which often provides the most reliable experience. Once connected, launch your chosen streaming software, like Quest Link or Virtual Desktop, on both your computer and your Quest 3 headset. With your Quest 3 connected and streaming software active, it's time to launch Halo. On your personal computer, ensure Steam VR is running. Then, simply open Steam and launch Halo, the Master Chief Collection, as you normally would. The game will appear within your virtual desktop environment on the Quest 3, allowing you to play it on a massive virtual screen, bringing the classic Halo experience to your headset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.